welcome back to season 7, episode 9 of the micro vlogcast. We have some new faces to the vlogcast today. So joined by Kelsey. Welcome to the debut to the micro vlogcast. And then Matt, it's fantastic to see you without sunglasses.
Or squinty eyes.
Last time Matt and I were doing the vlogcast together, we were up on the roof.
Yeah, I'm gonna not do that.
A little more manageable this time for sure. Well, hey, Matt and Kelsey represent a incredible depth of knowledge around new construction and building performance. And so I just want to take a minute. We get this question every once in a while, which is somebody saying, hey, I'm building a new building. I want to build a new facility. And, what should I do or how should I do it? And I guess my question to you guys is often we find there's a lot of pitfalls that can happen in the design phase that you end up stuck with through the life of the facility. What are some things an organization can be thinking about or asking about when they're interacting with maybe their architect on the design phase of new construction?
Yeah, well, coming at it as an architect, I think one of the biggest things to consider is material choice, supply chain, and user group and community. Okay. So what I think is missing in a lot of design practice is integrating the whole team and the community into practice and working with structural engineers, mechanical engineers, and stakeholders together all at the same time. So what that means is having everybody on the same page about an embodied carbon target. If you want to have low carbon structure, that's where a lot of the carbon in new construction is 70% generally in your structure. Matt's really good with knowing how to engage community early on and kind of good questions to ask. So I'm going to toss that to you.
Yeah, I think it's a really interesting point because what I like to say is, this isn't me saying this has been around the industry for a long time, but about 70% of a building, a project's impact, carbon impact, energy impact, is already determined before just 1% of the first costs are spent. And that's in the community practice, it's soft costs, it's professional service costs. So a lot of very impactful design decisions get made really early on. And so what Kelsey's saying is this community of practice of folks that have really deep expertise in their discipline, bringing them to the table along with community partners, folks that have to live with these buildings, live in these buildings for a long period of time, to get really good clarity on what the whole point of the project is besides just putting up architecture, putting up walls or putting up roofs. We all live and work and play, and we do a lot of work inside of the built environment. And so it's just really critical to get the right community of practice in the room as early as possible to really make those first design decisions as impactful and thoughtful and intentional as possible.
Well, there you have it. So if you're looking to build a new facility, don't just say, I want a building. There's a lot of good questions that they just brought up there. So we'll see you next week. Am I good? I'm getting a weird face. I'm maybe not good. Am I good? Oh yeah. Oh, I'm good. All right. Hey, we're good. All right, we're good. Well, I don't know. He was giving me the look. I'm sorry. I want to make sure the camera wasn't gonna fall over halfway through or something.
Blooper reel.
All right. What episode is this?